The viewers, I just couldn't help myself. I had a bit too much fun. Yeah, we have this made up to 180 Hz with the original fan back on, and boom! Oh man, I shouldn't do it, but I just couldn't help myself. I just had the itch, the urge to want to get this thing revving, all nice and fixed up with its fan on, and see what it'll be like, how much air it would move and everything. But yeah, she kind of went boom. That was funny. Dangerous, but funny. The fan on this wasn't actually as broken as bad as I thought, because I only just snapped one of the fins off and cracked one of them off. That's it. Okay, maybe this can take a bit of RPM, because the plastic was sort of half pretty structurally sound. So I put the fan back on, found some replacement screws, put the fan shroud back on, and it worked perfectly. Got up to 180 Hz and boof, fucking bang! It was literally a bang. I was lucky it didn't. Yeah, I didn't get any shrapnel in me, or the BA's edge didn't get broken. So I didn't get any, I didn't cop any of it, all here, all out there, thankfully. But, it needs a new fan anyway, nonetheless. I've got to replace that terminal block, and put the terminal cover top back on. So I need a terminal block, and a fan and fan shroud for this motor, and it's pretty much good to go. To find some use for it, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. As I said, I don't have much use for flange mount motors, but as a test motor, it's good for this sort of thing. I'm not loading it up much. I might just make a foot thing for it, put a pulley on it, and just use it to run compressors and stuff. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to make a fan for it, or find a fan to fit it. If you want a good fan that can take some speed, the old motors like that have those metal fans are the best. These ones here are good too, because these bigger motors, higher torque application modern motors, have a smaller fan, as you would have seen. It's a smaller diameter fan, much more heavy duty. It can take some RPM. But be warned, some of the modern motors, the fans on them, are made of a cheap, brittle plastic. It says they're out in the sun for a month or two, and as soon as they rev, they explode. So it's like cheap Chinese condenser units. They've got that cheap, shitty plastic fan blades. They spin too fast, they just explode. It's just a planned obsolescence crap. So if you really want to rev crap out of induction or three-phase induction motors, find something like that. Has a good heavy-duty fan on it, or an older one, which can be wired in delta, and a heavy-duty one too, not a light-duty one. Something that can take some abuse, like those old ones. But as far as this one here is concerned, this is an 80s vintage, 1983 I think this one's made. And yeah, it's the fan is a letdown. Yeah, they run motors way past their desired speed if they've got a crappy plastic fan on them, like this one he has. Pretty risky. Man, that was epic. Getting the three-phase power point put in. Nice vintage orange industrial 32 amp Clipsal. I've always liked these older style. I don't like their newer ones with the square door, because the doors are pretty flimsy and they don't switch, they get stuck in between. They break too easily, so I don't like them. And the older 56 series don't score onto the newer 56 series sockets. So I've got to plug an order for that, and the lead's going to be wired onto that plug. Here's some upgrades, and upgrade the circuit, the RCD, and that's going to be upgraded to a much bigger capacity breaker too. I should start making some. I can actually run these properly on proper three-phase as well as off VFDs. So we're all pretty much set to go in terms of three-phase power point wise. I can now run three-phase equipment that uses a plug. Yeah, because that breaker panels, that bloody kept pissing all over. Whiskers kept pissing over those freaking breakers. Not only can that place a bloody arc flash hazard, but he can get a pretty nasty shock door on that cat. So with the get all that stuff out of the way, so he can't get up there and piss on it. Little shit. What kind of cat pisses on live circuit breakers? Come on, that's gonna be one crazy cat. Anyway, thanks for watching.